Good morning, my dear little kids. How are you all? So, kids, nice to meet you again. So, kids, we are going to learn a very new and interesting concept. So, kids, today we are going to learn and discuss about the concept is heavy and light. Okay. So, before starting our topic, first you have to clear out what is the meaning of heavy and what is the meaning of light. So kids, when we have any two objects, okay, and one is heavy, it means भारी, okay, या बड़ा, या तो कोई चीज बड़ी होगी या फिर ज्यादा होगी, तो it means this is heavy, okay. And if one object is small or light, it means या तो वो छोटा है या फिर कम है. Okay? So heavy means भारी या बड़ा and light means छोटा या हल्का. I'm going to show you some worksheet so it will help you to understand this concept. Okay? So now look here, kids. I have a worksheet. Okay? So can you see we have two pictures, okay? This side one tree is there and this side one leaf is there, okay? So kids, can you tell me in tree and leaf which thing is heavy? Yes, tree is heavy and leaf is light. Why, kids? Because tree leaf से बड़ा है ना kids? Tree इस leaf से बड़ा है और leaf इस tree से बहुत छोटी है ना? So that's why this is heavy and this is light. Okay kids? Now see downside. This side I have one flower. Okay? And this side I have 4 flowers. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So which is heavy and which is light? Yes. This is heavy and this is light. Why? क्यों? Because बच्चों we have this side only one flower. How many flowers we have? We have here only one flower. And this side we have 4 flowers. Okay. So इधर हमारे पास flowers ज़्यादा हैं. So this side is heavy and this side light. Okay. So now I am going to show you one more worksheet. Okay. So in this worksheet, can you see we have again two pictures are there. Okay. So this side we have one picture. What is this? It's a book. What is this? It's a book. Okay. And what is this, kids? Yes, this is a pencil. Okay. So now, kids, can you tell me which thing is heavy? Which thing is heavy and which thing is light? Yes, book is heavy and pencil is light. है ना? क्योंकि आपकी जो बुक्स होती है ना वो बुक पेंसिल से हैवी होती है ना. आप एक हैंड में बुक रखेंगे एंड अदर हैंड में पेंसिल रखेंगे तो आपको किस तरफ हैवी लगेगा? या ऑब्वियसली बुक हमको हैवी लगेगी, है ना. सो बुक इज हैवी एंड पेंसिल इज लाइट. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट पिक्चर अगेन वी हैव टू पिक्चर्स. ओके. So this side, this is a stone, patthar. Okay, it's a stone. And this side, what is this? I taught you in English class. Yes, Q for quill. So we have this side one stone. एक तरफ हमारे पास है पत्थर and other side we have one quill. Quill means पंख. Okay. So now tell me, kids. Which thing is heavy? Yes, very good. Again, this side means stone is heavier than this quill. Okay. पंख और पत्थर में से कौन सी चीज भारी होगी किड्स? यस, वेरी गुड। जो हमारे पास पत्थर है वो इस पंख से हैवी होगा, है ना? सो दिस इज लाइट एंड दिस इज हैवी। ओके किड्स? सो do you understand now what is the meaning of heavy and what is the meaning of light? Yes, light and heavy, है ना? जो light होगा वो ऊपर रहेगा एंड जो heavy है वो हमेशा ऐसे आ जाएगा। तो heavy means भारी and light means हल्का। Okay, so now I am showing you some objects to understand this concept better. Okay. So kids, look here. Now I have two things. In my one hand, I have one pen. Okay. And in my other hand, I have one box. Okay. So can you tell me kids, which thing is heavy? Can you tell me? Yes, very good. This box is heavy. Okay. I am feeling that this box is heavy because this box is full of too many pens. Okay, and in this hand I have only one pen. So this is light and this is heavy. Okay. Now see kids, I have two more objects. Okay, I have one bottle of powder and I have one small bottle of lotion. Now can you judge which side is heavy and which side is light? So can you tell me which side is light? This time you have to speak which side is light. I am not talking about heavier side. Okay, I am asking you which side is light. Okay, so can you guess? Very good kids. This side is light and this side is heavy. Why? Because this bottle is big, na? And this side, this bottle is small. So that's why this is light and this is heavy. ये वेट में हल्की है और ये वेट में भारी है। Okay kids? Now kids, look here. I have one color box. Okay, in this I have some colors bottles are there. Okay, and in this hand I have cotton. Okay, so now can you tell me which object is light and which object is heavy? Yes, tell me. Very good kids, very good. Yes, cotton is light and this color box is heavy. Okay, because weight में cotton हल्की है and ये जो हमारे पास कलर बॉक्स है ये वेट में भारी है. So this is light and this is heavy. Okay kids? So kids, I hope that you understand this concept of heavy and light very well. So see you soon kids. Bye bye and take care.